Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Fighting economic warfare with crypto's double-edged sword. Let's be careful when vilifying the one tool available to prevent financial suffering for Ukrainians and Russians. And his monthly crypto tech column, Israeli serial entrepreneur Ariel Shapir, covers emerging technologies within the crypto, decentralized finance and blockchain space, as well as their roles in shaping the economy of the 21st century. Economic warfare can't be separated from geopolitical conflict, and just like in the violence of physical war, innocent civilians often fall in the crosshairs. The advent of cryptocurrency, however, is slightly transforming the dynamic this time around. As Russia's invasion of Ukraine sends shockwaves across the global markets, many are championing digital assets as a safe haven during destruction and unrest. Indeed, Russians and Ukrainians are taking advantage of the traditional finance alternative. On the Ukrainian front, crypto has been leveraged as a tool to raise funds for millions of fleeing refugees and citizens remaining to defend their homeland. The narrative gets more complicated on the Russian front. Some predict that oligarchs could bypass NATO sanctions, with crypto. On the other hand, 17.3 million Russians hold crypto. Most of those people certainly aren't oligarchs. One can reasonably conclude most of them are innocent citizens using digital assets to save their livelihoods. So, it's time to clear up the narrative here. The Ukraine crisis has shown crypto as a powerful tool that empowers ordinary people across the globe to assist others in their darkest hour. Crypto has previously been intertwined with charity, with companies like XMANNA, a metaverse gaming platform, giving back 40% of its profits to users via rewards. Now, crypto's once low-key charitable site is being weaponized publicly to support Ukrainian refugees and innocent Russians alike. The Ukrainian front Ukrainians are utilizing crypto as a financial lifeline, as they are forced to abandon life, as they know it. Outside of the war, many are donating crypto such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, to the Ukrainian government and NGOs, amounting to $108 million. And, thanks to the transparency of blockchain, we're now able to better track how these donations are being spent than we would have just 15 years ago. Ukraine has already spent $15 million of the amount raised on military equipment. The speed and ease with which more traditional donation platforms like GoFundMe and Fundly transfer money from donor to recipient pale compared with crypto donations. While conventional fundraising options can take up to 5 days to process wire transfers, crypto transactions are instantaneous. Even Bitcoin's notoriously slow transaction speed, up to 6 minutes, puts older methods to shame. Indeed, the initiatives to assist Ukraine are only the most recent and perhaps publicly mainstream iterations of blockchain's potential to transform fundraising. Projects like Seedon leverage a smart contract escrow model to ensure the funds are only accessed in stages, preventing misuse. Such models are likely to become much more prevalent in fundraising well beyond the current Ukraine crisis. With Ukrainian financial institutions limiting customer access to their finances, crypto is one of the surest ways for ordinary Ukrainians to access their money without fear of frozen accounts. This is essential for those who need access to cash immediately, whether to purchase necessities or to secure access to personal funds before fleeing the country. If someone is suffering the insurmountable effects of war, downloading a MetaMask wallet might not be the first thing that occurs to them, especially if they haven't used crypto before. Nevertheless, Ukraine ranks 4th on the global list of countries that have already adopted crypto, meaning a significant number of Ukrainian citizens at least have the option to utilize this alternative finance method in order to survive. While access might not be expansive, the option is potentially life-saving for those who have it. Downtrend since mid-February as the strength index hit rock bottom. The crisis in Ukraine was a potent factor behind the rapid sell-off. However, ENG gained critical support at the $1.19 level on 24 February, following which the coin moved up the chart. A favorable buying strength helped ENJ move up to meet a resistance near the $1.56 level on 1 March. However, the bears exerted pressure. Consequently, they all breached the trendline support, yellow trendline, and declined once again. It retested the previous support level at $1.34 and was trading at $1.38 during press time. The RSI recovered momentarily over the past 1 hour from being oversold and hovered at 46.57 at the time of writing. However, if the overall bearish momentum continues, ENJ could retest the $1.19 level again and might as well go down further. Harmony, 1, after breaking down from the 19 cents mark, lost almost half of its value before plummeting to a 5-month low on 24 February. However, after gaining support at the 13 cents level, it bounced up. Furthermore, the coin reached resistance at 16 cents on 26 February and has been trading between 16 cents and 13 cents since. Over the last week, it dropped by 6.7%. The immediate support level at 13 cents has been retested twice over the last week. During press time, one was trading at 14 cents, gaining 0.51% over the previous day. The RSI at 42.50 recovered from the oversold area over a few hours due to a momentary spurt in buying strength. However, the CMF was still under the zero line, thus indicating an overall bearish directional momentum. Failure to maintain the buying strength might move the coin even lower on the price chart. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0.25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.